Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You said you're having a hard time understanding excluded value. So you have 1 over 4 plus 2 over x equal 1, and trying to figure out what excluded value. Well, I just want to look at a couple fractions. If we have 0 over 5, and that's 0, and if you put this in terms of words, that makes sense. If you have 5 over 0, try to put that in words, it really doesn't make sense, and we call that undefined. Anytime we have 0 in the denominator, we call that undefined. 0 in the numerator is okay, it's just in the denominator there's an issue. And so when you have this equation, you have a variable in the denominator, and if this variable were equal to 0, then you'd have 2 over 0 would be undefined. So the excluded value is what makes this denominator 0. In this case, it's just 0 itself. If you put in 0 for x, you'd have 2 over 0, and it'd be undefined. And so we want to exclude that value. That would, if we were solving this equation, that value answer would not be acceptable. Hope that helps.